Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is state any two differences between spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. So here we will see the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. Spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. So we will see the difference between them, the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a process which involves in the male reproductive system. It's a part of male reproduction, spermatogenesis. While oogenesis, it's a part of female reproduction. It is a process involved in the female reproduction. Spermatogenesis, it is called as the process here production of sperms occur. Sperms are being formed from the spermatogonia. From the spermatogonia, sperms are being formed. Here eggs are being formed, or we can say that the ovum is being formed from the oogonium. This is the process of formation of ovum from the oogonium. So as it is a part of the male reproduction, it occur in the testes. It occur in testes. Oogenesis, it occurs in the ovaries of the female. Ovaries of the female. It results in formation of the motile gamete. As we all know, the sperms are formed, so sperms are motile gametes, that is having the movement. It results in the formation of the non-motile gamete. Non-motile gamete. Further, if we'll talk about the process, from one spermatogonium, four spermatozoa are formed. Four spermatozoa are formed. Spermatozoa are formed. Here from the one oogonium, one ova is being released. One ovum is being released. Here no polar bodies are formed. No polar bodies are formed. Here in oogenesis, production of polar bodies are there. So polar bodies are formed in the oogenesis. So if we'll talk about the rate of production of spermatogenesis, it produces millions of sperm. It produces millions of sperms per day. Each day it produces millions of sperms. After a boy or after a man, it attains the puberty. After that, millions of sperms per day being released. But here, one egg or one ova is released per month. In each month, one egg is released from the one ovary. So these are the basic major differences between the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. Hope you get it. Thank you.